It's time for withdrawal on TronKeeper, and today in this video we'll be placing a live withdrawal together. Right over here on my account you can see that I have over $373. But before I continue with this video, if you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Joachim. So what I do on this platform is that I show you several ways which you can earn online, and in exchange please do well to like this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch. You can as well join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp group, where I share some specific ways you can use to make money online. You can find the links down there in the video description. Now, to withdraw on TronKeeper is actually asking us to start to claim, and the next interface asks us to pay and claim. So once you click on pay and claim, actually asking us to pay 1.5 Tron or 30 TRX to get our fund on this platform. But I'm going to be telling you nothing but the truth on this platform. I will advise you don't pay any fee to this platform, because any platform that will allow you to start mining without stating their objectives or stating the requirement for withdrawal, that platform actually is not a legit platform. I have started mining on this platform hoping that a particular day we'll be able to place a withdrawal on this platform. I actually gave a test to this platform, and actually this platform does not deserve anyone making payment to claim your benefits. Okay, if they actually wanted us to pay on this platform, it would have been stated from the beginning of this platform. So right now I would advise anyone to just keep off from this platform. Right now on this platform there's no interface that will be displayed to you apart from this interface you're actually seeing right here. So they want you to compulsorily make that payment on this platform. So once you click on pay to claim right now, they're asking you to pay using your Tron or your TRX. So once you click on your Tron, you can actually see that they want you to actually connect your Tron wallet. If you have not connected it, connect it and make the payment. I'm telling you from experience, once you make any payment on this platform, your money has gone. So my advice on this video is that you should not make any payment to this platform. Just keep off from this platform. So that is all I have on this video. TronKeeper is not actually paying anyone from the information we've gotten so far. And so thank you for watching this video from the very beginning to this point. Please do well to like this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification so this video can get to more people on YouTube, so they can actually get the information that TronKeeper is not actually paying anyone on their platform. Okay, because actually when you make payments on this platform, your money is just a waste. Okay, if you actually want a specific ways to make money online, you can find the video links below the description of this video. And also do well to join my Telegram channel as I share some specific ways you can make money online.